Coronary angiography is a very simple test. It is painless, bloodless. We have 3 coronary arteries in our heart. It is a very safe procedure. You should consult your doctor. Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about coronary angiography. Now coronary angiography is a test which is done to find out if there is any blockage in the coronary arteries. We have 3 coronary arteries in our heart, LAD, LCX and RCA. And if we have to find out if there is any blockage in the arteries, we have to do coronary angiography. Coronary angiography is a very simple test. It is painless, bloodless, and we don't need to admit the patient for long hours. The patient can come in the morning, he can do the test and then can go back home on the same day. During angiography, we don't give anesthesia so that the patient can himself see what is happening. The test itself takes only 10 to 15 minutes. It is a very safe procedure. In coronary angiography, if there is a blockage but it is less than 70%, then it can be treated with medication itself. But if there is a blockage which is more than 70%, then balloon angioplasty or putting up a stent is needed. This decision is taken by the cardiologist. Now there is a question, what is the difference between CT angiography and conventional coronary angiography? CT angiography actually is done on the OPD basis, whereas coronary angiography is done as an indoor process. CT angiography, the injection is given in the vein, so here the amount of dye is more. But in coronary angiography, we directly inject the dye into the arteries, so the amount of dye is less, so dye reaction also is less. CT angiography, if it shows that there is some blockage and significant blockage, we have to confirm it by coronary angiography. So actually CT angiography is done if we are thinking that the patient might not have significant blockage. Only to rule out a coronary artery disease or heart blockage, we do CT angiography. Coronary angiography is done in people who already had a heart attack or there is a very high suspicion that he might be having significant blockage in the heart. Then conventional coronary angiography is done. So this decision actually completely depends on the cardiologist. So if you are feeling any pain in the chest or any other symptoms or any abnormalities there in ECG, echocardiography or treadmill test, then you should consult your doctor and then he can decide which test is best for you. I hope you should take care of your heart and stay healthy.